Good morning. It is Wednesday, October 11th. We're a week and a half into quarter four, and it's already showing us why it's the most loved quarter of all of them. Thank you for the hearts. Please hit that thumbs up as you come in. Let me share it to the group. I just took a first sip of my tea. I made it like 40 minutes ago and I hadn't drinking it. All right. Let's go. Exactly, Lewis. Let's go. We're ready. All right, I got to get the TikTok up because I am running a little late. I was up way too late last night, and then I didn't sleep very well. Like, I jumped up at like 6 and 7. I don't know what I was doing. So funny, yesterday Evie was like, did you get booted? And it was like 3:05. Jen was like, no, it's after 3 o'clock. What are you talking about? All right, so overnight we had 2 wins. Thanks for all those hugs. Hey, Carlos. Good morning. So after all, last night ES had a win, right? Oops, where is it? Oh, there it is. ES had a win right here, and Q Knight had a win right. Nope, that's later. Get out of here. Right here. Gold has not taken a trade yet. So just the ES Knight was 1 for 1, and Q Knight was 1 for 1, and that's it so far. And I think one of the premiums. Oh yeah, YM Chop had a trade for $160. That's this one. It took a long here at 3 in the morning for $160. Yes, we love ES and NQ Knight. They are some of our favorites. Good morning, good morning. Welcome. My name's Lauren. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen goes live, who is one of my users / my little friend. She's been in the group since 2020, so she means a lot to me. Thankfully, Irma got her power back. I was like worried about her last night. Thank you, Jen. I can post this in announcements as well. So today is Wednesday, October 10th. It's 9:29 a.m., so the market's about to open. Really nice big day yesterday. My students got some huge plays. All of the algorithms were green except for gold. Gold was the only loss yesterday. Everything else was a win. These were some of the results from the premium algorithms, which were killing it yesterday, all off of the smallest sizing. So huge. I think premium on the week is green $7,000. If you go to the settings spreadsheet, you can look at the premium tab and then go from there. Yeah, Jen. Cutie patootie. Jen, push that little share thing and then push all those bubbles. The bubble pictures of people. I think that's like a good way. Good morning. If you're new here, it's 9:30. The market just opened. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you're a student of mine, you know what the play is and what we're waiting for. So we'll see if we get that. Also, I have 2 funded accounts and one that's about to be funded, I think, after today. And I've made almost $2,000 on both of the PA accounts so far, which I'm super proud of because once you get over that 3,000 and 6,000, it's just going to be so easy to just put all the algos on there and let them do their thing. So yeah, I'm at 52,000, 51,800. We'll see what I can do today with that. How's oil looking? Okay, nothing here yet. Ooh, I have a level here on oil. Is this the one? Okay, cool. All right, we broke over the previous high. We talked about this on the student call too. This is not my student play, but it is a play that I talked about. So if some of my students took the long here, that's fine. It wouldn't be something I would be upset with. I did not take a trade yet. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to be patient. Yes, Jen. Very true. Thank you. If you have any questions, though, feel free to put them in the chat. So what was discussed in the student call as a secondary option would be the break of 46 here, which now is at 66. So if someone did take that, that was a 20-point run right there. Good for them. Oh, you know what I need to put up? I need to put up my little box of stuff. So again, these are the setups so far today. 165 on the YM, 125 on ES, and then 50 on NQ. This is the smallest sizing. Actually, I take 2 contracts on ES. I used to also take 2 on NQ, but I think I lowered that, so I don't know why, though. I should put that back on 2. Oh, yes, for sure, Michael. If you're new here, please follow, give a thumbs up, tap that screen. I go live every day. Happy hump day. I'm actually kind of hungry. I didn't have dinner last night. The Orioles lost. We'll just get it out of the way because clearly I forgot to put that out there this morning and Brian called me out like I was withholding the information or something. It's 9:33. We'll see if we get a trade in a bit with maybe ES early and Q early. There are 21 people in YouTube and only 9 likes. Please hit that thumbs up. It really helps. I don't have commercials on purpose because all I'm really asking is that you guys give 1 thumbs up per stream and you don't have to be bombarded with commercials. So please and thank you. Kyle already made his money. He clearly took the break. He made $500 on each of his accounts. They're 480, 410. Good job, Kyle. If you have questions about the mentorship, oh, thanks, Larry, but I didn't take it. Larry's like, nice play, but I didn't take the break. But if you did, good job.
Orders target filled.
Ooh, target filled. Okay. I'm too busy in a typing rage over here. ES isn't along. And NQ, I think, already hit target. It did. Oh, wait, my other one's... It's on, but it's not working. I think I need to change... These came with some shitty batteries. I think I need to change the batteries. One other thing was nice, though. All right, I'm still in the ES long and Q hit. No, I just need ES to hit. Stretch this out of it. Oh, let's go. Yeah, Lauren, a bank statement. What?
Order submitted.
What?
Target filled.
No, I wanted the other thing. It was nice, though. Wait, Andy, did you take it? Jeff, I don't need you to actually put a like. I also don't need naysayers or people that are in the group or in like the chat thinking that they can bully me because you can't. If I showed you my bank statement, you would pass out. You would literally have a heat stroke because you've never seen so much money in your life. So I would say F off, but I'm not going to say, I would say it with the real words, but then I'm going to get hit on my live stream. So just remove him, Jen, because he's a little hater that probably is trying to make up for how small his member is.
Target filled.
All right, target filled. 2 for 2. The obnoxious button is not working. I hit it. It's so funny. Okay, so let me tell you a story because this is kind of along the same lines. So my little one was at recess yesterday at school, obviously, and some kid who's in a different class but like the same grade called him stupid. It was like, "You're stupid." And
Order submitted.
then rolled his eyes. This is what I was told. So we had a little heart-to-heart.
Target filled.
RTY hit target. RTY's been killing it. You know, I thought about turning RTY on this week, on today because of how it's been doing so well. Anyway, so the life lesson here was, his name is not Little One, his name is BoldBot. Okay, so BoldBot was at recess, and this other boy said, "You're stupid." I can't even believe that some kids, like, know that word at such a young age. Like, I can't stand that word. I can't stand stupid. I can't stand shut up. Like, there are just certain things that I'm like, I hate that. Like, it just makes me cringe. Anyway, so when we talked after school about how to handle these things going forward, I was like, if somebody calls you stupid in the future or somebody makes fun of you, I said, you know the way you should react? You shouldn't, kind of don't validate them and respond to them and give them the attention that they want, because that's all they want. I said, this is what you're going to do. And we like role played it. I'm like, you're just going to laugh. He's like, what? How? And I'm like, okay, let's role play it. I said, I'm going to be the boy and you be yourself. And when I call you stupid, just laugh. And so I'm like, "You're stupid." And he was like, and I said, and then the other boy's going to be like, "What are you laughing at?" And then you're going to just laugh some more. And then he's going to be like, "Stop laughing at me." And then he's going to start crying and he's going to run away. And then you've won. So don't give people your energy. It's just a waste of time. Just like these haters in this chat. They're a waste of my time. They're trying to be relevant, and they're not. Great morning. I'll be taught all these trades after getting the bot. No, the bot is 100% automated. It automatically trades for you. So that is the life lesson. Instead of, throwing names back at the other child or, stooping to his level, just laugh and walk away. Good old throat punch works. Yeah, okay, Heath. Not in first grade, okay? Not in first grade. Well, anyway, that was how I approached it. So far, ES Knight 1 for 1, NQ Knight 1 for 1, NQ Early 1 for 1, ES Early 1 for 1, and RTY 2 for 2. 6 for 6 on the day if you're running RTY. If you weren't running RTY, you're 4 for 4 on the day. Gotta set the tone. Hey, Raj. Yo, so I keep telling you I want to go to the movies, but that big or whatever dumb money, I was going to say smart money. The smart money is not playing much anymore because they rolled out all these other movies like The Exorcist and stuff.
Order submitted.
NQ Knight. RTY is in another trade. 1 for 1. ES Knight 1 for 1. ES Early 1 for 1. NQ Early 1 for 1. RTY 2 for 2. And then in the third trade now. Alright, people are posting. I need to emoji them. I also need to put this in the group. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. I would love to answer them. Jen is also in the chat. She can help with any questions you might have. I learned a long time ago, it'd be nice to people that want to get you mad. It makes them even more mad. Yeah, it's so true. It's so true. Oh, it definitely is. 100.
Target filled.
Target fill was at RTY. RTY's 3 for 3. Y'all, RTY is throwing it in my face that I didn't run it. Because I was like, no. But I honestly, last night when I was setting up, I was like, maybe I should put RTY live. And this is what I mean about maybe, because we have statistical information on different setups, but that doesn't mean it's always going to be that way. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, it's been that way for the year, but we're in quarter 4 now. Quarter 4 is strong. And if you see something performing well, like RTY, you might want to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to run that. Maybe I'm going to run it on a few micros, or, you know, I'm going to turn it on, but just be careful with it or keep an eye on it. Hey, Irma. Yeah. 3 for 3 yesterday, 3 for 3 today. Like, RTY is like, y'all forgot about me. All right, people are posting. Let's look at this. Let's take a look. All right, Larry, mentorship overnight, 4:40 a.m. What are you doing? Nice job, Larry. Kyle, 2 trades and he's done, around 300, 400, 500 on each of those accounts. Larry, no more games. Thank you, Lauren. Good job, Larry. I got to emoji these people. And then Michael, great morning. BoldBot team for life. 300 to 400 on all of his accounts. So Garfield, if you want to use a cash account, this is all in the informational email. If you email me, I can send you that information. But if you want to use a cash account, it is a minimum of $3,000. If you want to use, these people are all using Apex accounts, which is a prop firm. So you can use that as well. And that is, it depends on what their sale is. Right now they're doing a 70% sale. So I guess it would be like $40, $45 for one account. But we all just had the 90% sale where all of these accounts were $17. Speaking of, I still have not taken a trade on any of my funded accounts yet. I'm just waiting. I'm actually looking at something right now. All right, I gotta get off of these. Michael G, nice job.
Order filled.
Let's go back to the NQ chart. Look at that wick.
Order submitted.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
For what? What was that? Not RTY again. I don't know.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't know why that didn't move on there. We're back to the area that we talked about prior with my students. So this might be the hotspot. We'll have to see. I'm keeping an eye on it on the left. What's your tick target on RTY? That's given, Patrick, that's given in the group. Aren't you in the group? Or you used to be? That's all in the group. That's information that is just given to members.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Oh, range gold is in a short. I do not have this live, but it's in a short. I'm watching something here on my other VPS.
Order filled.
I want to see if...
Stop filled.
I moved my trail up too soon. Hey, William. Jeremy, such a good day. Love BoldBot. Thank you so much. Ooh, $400 on that run. All right, so what I did there, which obviously my students would be aware of, I was just using that 46 again, and I took the long 3 times over 2 different accounts. Also, oh, that was the one. Oh, we're in a $200 long on pink. Hold on, let me show you guys. That's what the order was that I didn't know what was happening. We're in a $200 long. Now it's like $80 on pink. This is the long on pink. If anyone's in pink, you're in the long. Check your stuff. Oh, you know what I just realized? Hold on, give me a second. I just realized that I had the other chart up there. Where is this one? Oh, the other one actually works just fine. So pink had a small loss earlier, and now it's in this short. This is on my other VPS, so that's why I didn't know what was in a trade. See this move back up here over the 45. But see, this is what I want to manually do, so I kind of don't really want to sit it on here because I just want to trade this myself. We got to see if we can get back over this 46.
Order filled.
All right, we're at 50. Can we move higher? Go back up to 65. The one has... I don't like when it does this.
Order filled.
Does this one have the trail? Yeah. All right, cool. Get above 50. There we go. I'm green 140 on this long. 150. 220. 240. I have my trail up in the positive. 210.
Stop filled.
All right, so I'm out of that. So 600 on one of my PA accounts so far. And that's what all I'm trying to do. Okay, we can go back to pink now since pink is green $320 on this long since I'm out of my trade. Because I don't have pink on any of my accounts. I just have it running. Is there an affiliate program? So yeah, if you joined the group, I can tell you about the affiliate program. But there's no affiliate program if you're not in the group. But yes, I do have an affiliate program. Please make sure you give a thumbs up on YouTube or tap that screen on TikTok. But yes, Garfield, for sure. You could just email me and I can give you more information. My email is boldbotllc@gmail.com. So we're still in this long on pink. Again, this is one of the standard algorithms because I get that question a lot. This is Scalper, but you can have access to this as a standard member. However, you do have to wait a week and you have to take a quiz because it's more robust and confusing than something like R2Y, like these range setup. These range setups are very straightforward. Setting them up is very easy. So that's the difference, but you are more than welcome to have access. You just have to show that you understand how range works first. Yep, sure thing. Yeah, my email is on the screen. You can also find it. It should be in my bio, but boldbotllc@gmail.com. And we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. GC's in the short. It's a bit red right now. ES is pulling back. Let's see what MQ's doing here. Okay, made my money. I'm paying attention. Good job. I'm proud of you, William. More people are posting, and somebody is emojiing a moonshine. Where's Laura? Laura, I need you. And in love waking up to this. Mostly done for the day. A couple will run NQ later. Down bad, great morning. The 3 and the red are past evals. I'm $1,200 away from passing the 4th. Very nice. All algo, including the OG chop. Nice job, Carlos. Evals are close. Very nice, Will. You're so close. $300. That's so good. I don't use everyone except for Jen and Laura are doing the emojis. Let me get on this. Let me get on this. Remember, and this is something that's talked about in the group, but pink was green, $350, and with a certain setup below a certain number, which I'm not going to divulge here, that is something. Oh shit, I just missed something, y'all. Very good, guys. Yes, Ben. So that's a 30-point move already from the student play. Let me go here. We can see it didn't come all the way to the chop zone, but do you see these other wicks? Like they're all kind of holding here, the 16, 17, and that's kind of what happened there. Michael, I can do it. I can do it. All the Austin, Texas friends. Are you the one that was asking questions on my YouTube yesterday and I was like responding to you? I was typing to my students because the student play was just happening and I wanted to make sure they were seeing it and taking advantage of it. And Laura, I was trying to find out where she was at and she is here. She's just pulling up to her house. Because I'm like, where are the emojis? Did it? Oh, was it the same? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, because it wasn't that far today. More money. Right. You had posted you were done and then the student play happened and you were like, yeah, I was watching it on YouTube and replaying the evening. Very cool. I love that. Yeah, so if you have any additional questions, Mike, I'd be willing to answer them. Welcome. Make sure you follow. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Pink is still in this long. Again, this is scalper. I do not have this live, but I did take a few longs. ES and MQ Knight sent 9 of my accounts over the 53K threshold. PAs are awesome. Thanks, Lauren. This is why you don't mess with the target. Lauren does her work very well. Test targets a lot to get us the best option. Even though Silver is protected. Yes. MQ Pink along. Yeah. MQ Pink, $300. I'm actually hungry. Hi, Ricky. How are you? Ricky, I turned that game off in the second inning. And then Brian was giving me crap today. Like, dude, I already know, okay? I hear you. So there is an FOMC type of meeting happening at 2 p.m., but it's not the minutes and it's not the actual FOMC report. So I don't know if that's going to bring some of this slow, like we had a nice move. But I don't know now if the market's just going to kind of be slow and consolidate, if some people are turning off.
Order
Hey,
filled.
what's up, Tactical? Did you email yesterday when you kept saying Gmail, Gmail? I don't know. I wasn't sure. Okay, cool. So you got the information from Amy. Hi, I am a member and liking the results. When you're referring to student play, is that a manual trade or a bot? No, the student play is a manual. And that is if you buy the digital mentorship, you get access to the student call, which is 8:45 to 9:15. If you're an active algo member, you get it as long as you're an active algo member. If you're not, then it is a monthly cost. If you want more information, Nathan, I know I've seen your username before. I could just message you. Yes, Jen, thank you. He's on YouTube, but yeah, the mentorship is 16 hours of videos. Those videos are yours for life. You can watch them as many times as you want. You can access them for years. They are yours. However, the access to the student call, the manual alerts, the chop zone, which is this proprietary zone right here, the LIS, which is this yellow level right here, those are all part of the group. It's part of the student access. So, Boss said 16 hours of magic. He's so awesome. So, if you want to learn how to manually trade, and again, this isn't specific to futures. Obviously, I focus on futures and that's what I trade, but what I'm teaching you could go for any market. It could work on crypto. It could work on forex. It could work on anything. I'm honestly just teaching you how to read the chart in the most simple ways. So if you want to take the mentorship, it's a one-time payment of $1,200, and then you get a month in the group. So that is the group access that I'm talking about. After that 1 month, you would either have to be an algo member or you'd have to pay monthly to stay in the group. And all of that is also on my website, which is on the screen right now, boldanalysisllc.com. The student access in the group includes the student call. It includes the chop zone, the LIS. It includes the student chat, which is really helpful because there's a lot of people that are really strong students in here talking about moves, like right here. Ben posted this picture a second ago, and they were all talking about this. So there's a lot of advanced students in the student chat, and then there's a lot of new people. So those new people are able to learn even outside of my videos and me. Yeah, this could be
Order canceled.
So it includes manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. It also includes the student call. It includes the chop zone, the LIS, obviously the videos, but the videos you get for life, so that's not part of the student access. And then the student chat. Between the mentorship and the student call, that's all you need. Yeah, Paper Chaser, it's so true. The student call is fire every single morning. And even though I approach it in the same way, I feel like I'm able to teach a little bit more every single day and kind of show different things that might be happening. Like this morning when we talked about the breakout, that's normally something that isn't happening. So I think this got out of this. So we'll see. We will see. I want to also look at this oil. If oil pulls back to 84, 85, I'm okay taking a short. I don't know if I want to take 2. I'll put it down to 1. I'm going to put a limit short here on oil.
Order submitted.
Also, did I take a...
Order submitted.
I put it on both of my accounts. I think I need to take one trade on my It should probably be funded today. BoldBot changed lives. Changes lives. Thank you, David. I need to pick up a prescription today. I just got the reminder. Yeah.
Order filled.
I have this one song stuck in my head. I'm in a short on 1 micro because I need to have a trade on this account. It's green, $10. See how easily you could make money now? It's $12. Off of 1 micro, yesterday I was in a trade, it was like, I don't know, $30 or something. So even if you have a small cash account, it still works. All right, I took my trade for the day on that. Where's my oil? All right, we'll see if oil pulls back up. This is a level here on NQ at 9. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you the auto trading algorithm that myself and my members use. If you want more information on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Hey, Temple Jackson. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3
Order submitted.
p.m. Pink's in a short. Where are we at with, ooh.
Order filled.
I might get that too. Let's see. There we go. Because this is going to end up being something in a second. Where are we at? It's 10:03. It's 10:03. Always pay attention to the time. That's such a big factor in trading that sometimes my students, I feel like, forget about. Time, price, super important. I don't
Order
know.
filled.
Keep it on there. Yes, we are. If you want more information, just email me. Oh, my email. There it is. boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's 10:04. I will be live until 10:30. And then I might go to the movies. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I do need to go pick up a prescription. That's for sure. And I need to go pick up a package. So sad, though. I got my brother this really fun shirt for his baseball team, but they lost, so I'll just have to wait until next year to wear it.
Stop filled.
All right, my trail hit on that one.
Order submitted.
NQ early. See if we can drop here. I'm sure it does work on crypto, but I don't use crypto, so I don't know if that helps you. Like, I wouldn't have settings to give you, essentially. Like, we don't trade crypto, we just trade futures. I might get stopped in this. See if it can come back down. I'm gonna break that 9. I have a level there. I have a level at 850. ES just pulled back to the zone too. And the thing is that also coincides with the chop zone. So opposite confluence here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can move back down and break that 9. Go back to 15,300. There is an FOMC meeting this afternoon at 2 o'clock, so things are a little choppy. What got you into futures versus options? Oh, I traded options and stocks and I hated them. I hated options. Hated. And then I traded common shares, but you can't make the money on common shares that you can make on futures, especially with such little money. Now, could I trade common shares now and probably do well? Yeah, because I would have like a $500,000 account to use, but people don't have that. And then you can have margin on top of that. But most people don't even have the minimum for the PDT, which is $25,000 or more at every single day in cash. So that's the reason why I then found futures, and the ability to do so much trading with so little money it was like a huge kind of like options, where you don't have to have a lot of money and you can make good money, but there's no theta, there's no delta. Like, my trade is my trade. It's not going to start fluctuating just because minutes of the day are passing by. So, but yeah, most people can't. There's no PDT rule with futures. Futures are open 23 hours a day. I'm green 300 on this short that I took on my funded Apex account. 470, 400, 420. All right, that one got pulled out. Let's see. We got to break that 9. We got to break that 850. So yeah, there's no PDT rule in futures. Futures, the market's open 23 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week, essentially. And then on top of that, you can start with as little as like $400, which obviously I don't suggest, but you could. Futures are just awesome. They're just awesome. Like, I have a $10,000 cash account and I make anywhere from typically 5% to 12% per day. And that's trading the smallest sizing. Today I'm already up $300 on the smallest sizing. And we still have like several opportunities left to go, and the short that I'm currently in. All right, so I'm up $1,100 on my one funded account. It's at $52,881. So I'm almost over that threshold of the funded account, and then I no longer have a trailing drawdown. I've been trading for 20 years. I've been trading futures for like almost 9 years now. Yeah, William, he's one of my students in the chat. He says he uses these skills to trade options as well, and that's true because I teach that in lesson 3. So yeah, with you have to trade 7 days during evaluation, and I already hit the profit last week, Gregory. So I just had to make one trade on like a micro. That's what I was referring to. Until I hit that 7-day trading. Kept to a plan and passed 4 evals last night. Super excited. Yay! I'm so excited. JV said I trade futures too. Yeah, futures are awesome, right, JV? They are awesome. I love them. Also, Mike ran ZB again today, and he said it was still killing it. All right, so we'll see. NQ is really holding this 850 level, as well as the top of the chop zone, which is here. So I am a red in this current short, but we'll see if it can move back down. We're kind of just sideways at this point, honestly. We already had the initial move, which was on the manual, the long here. So we'll see if we can move back down. Sometimes I feel like I curse it if I watch it, so I try not to watch it. See if we can get back under 25.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I have to change my chart trader so then the ATM strategy is always selected versus after you use it, then it deselects itself, because then sometimes I'm in a trade and I'm like, oh, I don't have my ATM strategy, and then I have to redo it. See if we can stay under 25 here. Price is like, no, I want to move up. If we can get back under 25, that'd be good. All right, back under 25 or 24. We're just going to go back down. We got to break that level. 100 on the short. We're going to get back under 17 and then under 8. Seems like it's kind of losing steam here. Let's see if it can stay under 25. There we go. There we go.
Order filled. Order canceled.
That in my trail, that wasn't really a trail. All right, back under 19, 18. Let's go. Let's drop, 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 drop. Come on, NQ, you can drop. Let's get the order ticket up here so you guys can see the price as it's moving. So we want this to break 8. We want to get under 15.38. All right, let's go. We got to break down a few more times. Still in, pink is still in that short as well. So let's see if we can break this down and follow that trend. And that's where you can utilize the algorithms and the mentorship to kind of help you make more decisive decisions. But all right, we're back down to 15. Let's go. Let's drop, drop, drop. Let's break 13. Got to break 13, and then we got to break 850. Let's go. There's 13. Let's go. There's 11. We need 850. We got to break 850. We can do it. We stayed under 25. We went under 18. Come on. Get back under 13 and break 850. 13. Come on. 11. We got to break that 850. It's 10:13 a.m. right now on October 11th. If you're new here, I go live every day. Yeah, I trade NQ, ES, gold, oil, silver, ZB. Right now, we're in an NQ trade that I'm talking about. But I trade pretty much everything except for currencies. And I do not trade many agricultures. I have one that's live cattle, but that's it. Yeah. All right, let's break. We got to break this 13, and we got to break 850. Come on in NQ. There we go. 12. I saw 12. There we go. Come on. Let's get back under 10. There we go. 10. 10. Can we break? So you got to 10 and it bounced. We got to stay under. We got to stay under. Come on. We're just chipping away. We're like little ice men with like a chipper, and we're chipping away at that 8 to 10 area. Let me get that cattle. You have it. It's in the premium, William. I hate you. 12. Chip, 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 chip. Come on. Let's chip away at this big iceberg. We got to get under 10 and then got to break 850. Here we go. 10. Come on. No, there we go. I saw 9. I saw 9. Let's go. 850. Come on. We went to 9 and bounced back up. Break, break, break that ice. Everyone get your little ice pitcher picks out.
Target filled.
Target filled! Target filled! Target filled! Let's go! All right, we need some eggs in the chat. NQ hit target 2 for 2 on the day. I'm also in this short $150 on one of my funded accounts, so I need to move this in because this one was a hairy one. Great job. Great job. All right, we stayed under 25, which is what we needed, and then we broke 18, we broke 13, and then we finally got under that 850 to 10 area. Listen, I know what the hell I'm talking about. If you want to learn how to manually trade, if you want to use my auto trading algorithms, email me. Early, Jonathan. Early. Look at the fucking time of day, dude. It's early. Jesus Christ. Oh, doctor. I just got on. No, get out of here. Look, I'm going to mute him again. He's so annoying. Look at the time, Jonathan. Don't just ask stuff. Look at your computer. Look at the time. That is your responsibility as an adult. I'm not here to spoon feed you. I refuse to spoon feed you. Look at the fucking clock, y'all. Wear a watch. Look at it. It looks like this. If you need help learning how to tell time, I'm going to send you back to first grade. Jesus. Like, I'm not only telling you the exact levels we need to break. Lauren, I can't tell time. And what we need to do to get to target, and then we get to target and you ask some dumb shit like that. No, I do not, JV. Let's help away with this. true. I like that short 125. All right, I'm going to get off of here. That was a great morning, a great call. If you're new here, I go live every day. I'm giving you these little trinkets. We are 1 for 1 on NQ overnight, 1 for 1 on ES overnight, 2 for 2 on NQ early, 1 for 1 on ES early, and then 3 for 3 on RTY, 8 for 8 on the day. Gold had another loss. I turned gold off last week, so I have not been incurring these losses, which is great. Hey, Kyle, when is your ass coming back? Nice job, Big Busta. I was going to turn it on last night. I swear. I was like, I'm turning it on, and I didn't. All right, gold isn't, yeah, gold is definitely in timeout. I put it in timeout last week for sure. I think I even put that on the sheet. I think I highlighted it red. It's in timeout. All right, let's go over people's results really quickly. Jonathan, top is eval building. P, I have a couple more evals closing in approval. I don't know. This is not closing in approval. BoldBot is serious. Thank you, Jonathan. I know I give you a lot of shit, but you know I love you. I muted him, so he's probably like, fuck this bitch. Running cattle next week. Ruth Chris, baby. Yeah, no, the live cattle is fun. It doesn't trade that often, but when it does, it's a good time. Paper Chaser student call for the win. Done for the day. Look at all of these Apex wins. Nice job. Paper Chaser. Bloop, 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 bloop. William, payout's going to be nice on the 15th. I'm excited to like finally be serious about Apex and get some payouts. Like I've never gone that far. I always end up just kind of fucking around and blowing them up. Love waking up to this. Mostly done for the day. A couple will run NQ later. Nice job spreading out your risk, Moonshine. Diversification is so important in any market. The stock market, crypto market, the futures market. It's so important. When Lauren makes fun of you, you know you made it, right? Because if I didn't care, I just wouldn't say anything. All right. I'm going to wrap it up here. Everyone, have a great day. Nathan is posting. It is 10:19. We'll be back at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you follow us. I have to sign up for the mentorship. Yes, Raj, you do. Are you in the group? The mentorship is killer. It will just teach you everything that you need to know, and you'll see things so much clearer. It's insane. Oh, ooh, Michael. I didn't even notice. Well, now I did. I'm glad we got that little move, though. Ooh, that was 28. I didn't even notice that, Mike. Very cool. All right, everyone, mentorship is life. Have a great day. Come back at 2 p.m. Jen will be live on TikTok. Make sure you follow, tap that screen, and give a thumbs up and push that bell icon so you can be notified when we go live. Jeffrey, nice live. Thanks, Jeff. I sent you an email yesterday. Okay, if you sent me an email, we respond immediately. So make sure you check your spam folder. Sometimes it goes there. If for some reason you can't find it, reach out again and I'll send you another email. But we respond immediately. We are super on top of that stuff. All right. Look at the bounce out of the chop zone. And it went right to... What did it go to? Like 3. It went to 300 exactly, and now it's bouncing out of the chop zone. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So many ways to make money. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. Talk to you later. Bye.